Hey, what's up guys? Dave here, Deranged Off-Road. Yes, it's time. Doing a little work on the Overland trailer, finally. I've used it a couple times since we've completed the competition between us. I actually towed it out to Great Basin National Park with the car. It's like a 500-mile round trip. Towed great, everything was perfect with it. But I kind of want to use it this winter, so it's kind of cold. Let me show you what we got going on. Come into my messy garage here, and we got a diesel heater. I'm going to install a diesel heater in this thing and see if I can have some decent heat. I want to take the trailer out. Not with the side-by-side because I got some other things planned. I want to do some dirt biking, that kind of stuff, go camping, do that type of thing. So what we got going on here, I bought a harvest. What we got going on is I bought a Harbor Freight box. I'm going to install the diesel heater in here with the fuel can. Duct's going to come out of here and wrap around and plug in somewhere along there. So that's the plan. I got this thing secured down this morning just with some self-drilling screws there. It ain't going nowhere. It's solid. So this is definitely not a how-to install a diesel heater. It's more of a, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing some upgrades to this. Joe's going to be doing some upgrades to his trailer, and I believe Garrett is going to do some upgrades to his. I think we've all kind of budgeted about, I don't know, another $1,000, and maybe we'll make it a competition to see what upgrades are the best bang for the buck or something like that. We haven't really decided, but we all decided that we haven't used them enough to make the builds worth it. So we'll do a few things and we'll get out and use them some more. So that's the plan. All right, here we go. All right, I am surely making a mess here. I've unloaded the trailer. So what I've got done so far, got the box mounted, got the mounting plate mounted, cut a hole right there for the wiring harness to come through, and through the front of the trailer there. I don't like cutting holes in things. Also got a hole cut for the outlet for the hot air. When I set up camp, I can run a hose. I'm probably going to just plug it into somewhere right in this area here, behind the window there, and up high. I'll mount this right here. It's actually an RV dump valve. That way I can close that off. So, making some progress. Slowly though, I'm just figuring this out, one little step at a time. Yep. Lovely, right? The trailer has completely turned into a storage unit at this point. All right, one thing I forgot to share is the fuel tank that comes with this is this right here. And unfortunately, like, It don't fit. So I'm hoping, I don't know if it's actually gonna work to use this. I'll just drill a little bitty hole in there for the fuel line, tuck it down in there. I can crack this open for a vent, but I don't know if the fuel pump is gonna actually be able to pump the fuel out of that. I don't know. I don't know if it kind of depends on gravity. We'll find out. If not, that's kind of a bummer. Trial and error. We'll see how it goes, I suppose. All right, what is up? Well, I kind of got it pretty much done. Here's what the setup looks like. This is just a RV dump cap, so I can cap that off when I'm done. Not real thrilled with this. I don't think this is going to be very durable over the long run. I might get a time or two out of it, but I may go to some hard ducting. Just come straight out of there, angle up, plug right into that. Here she is, pumping away, tick-tock. Be able to hear that all night. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to isolate that pump and kind of make it quiet. Woo! Hot in here. So I need to trim that out a little bit, obviously. I got this that will plug in there, and then this will snap on the front of that, and it spins and can direct the airflow around. But yeah, it's definitely hot in here. I still have to hook up the exhaust on that and the fresh air pipes before I go actually use it. And other than that, it'll be ready. Pretty stoked on that. It's hot in there. I'm gonna have to sleep with the window just wide open, I'm pretty sure. I put the exhaust on and it sounded like a freaking trumpet, so that's kind of annoying. We'll see how it actually works. But yeah, it's hot, toasty. Do a little winter camping. May load up the dirt bike in the truck and go out and go do some camp, overnight stuff, dirt biking, that kind of thing. So pretty pumped on it. Also, I went and got a new battery. She's temporarily installed in there. So the battery I had was an old truck battery out of this piece of crap, and it was probably 4 or 5 years old, and it wouldn't hold a charge more than 11 volts, so it wouldn't run the heater. When the heater glow plug fires up on that thing, it would struggle, and it would just error out, and it wouldn't work. So I'm gonna leave this running for hours today, see how it goes, see what it does to my battery, that kind of thing. So yeah, pretty excited. Probably spent, I don't even know, I'll have to add it up. It was a little more than I was thinking. Honestly, it was kind of expensive in the end. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Not a whole lot to enjoy, it's just kind of an update here and there on the installation process. I got to give a shout out to Rocky Mountain Backcountry. The way he installed the pipe and the fittings and all that, that's where I got my idea, was from him. He didn't put it in a box or anything like I did, so he had his out on a table, I believe. I've actually seen people install these in a Pelican briefcase. I thought that was pretty cool. So it was completely portable. Something else to consider. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you want to support the channel, hit that like button. If you really want to support the channel, subscribe, and if you want to go the extra mile, 1 extra mile, hit the Rocky Mountain link down there, purchase some stuff through our affiliate link. Doesn't cost you guys any more money, but it definitely helps us. And if you want to go 2 extra miles and you want to help support our channel, on the little thing down there on the YouTube screen, there's like community, blah, 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 different tabs there. You can hit the thanks tab and you can actually donate $1 or $2 or whatever you want. You know, buy us a soda. That would really be friggin' awesome. So again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.